Ah, so nice to be flying up here with my best bud Toothless. Hold on. What's that? I should probably report that to the Wildcrats. Ah, Hiccup! Did you find anything interesting during your flight? Yes, I think I saw some sort of strange flying reptile that wasn't a dragon, but it had a really big wingspan. Huh, sounds to me like you saw some sort of pterosaur, like a pteranodon. Wait, you're just gonna believe me just like that? Because I thought we were gonna have this whole argument about how what I saw couldn't possibly exist because of science and stuff. You have a pet dragon. Fair point. Well, let's go find it then. Oh, wish we could, but we sort of promised Phineas and Ferb that we'd help them with some sort of biology project. I'm free. I could come along. Great. I'll saddle up Toothless, and then we'll be ready to go. Aviva, are you sure you want to go on an adventure without the two of us? I mean, it could get pretty dangerous. So, I've been on lots of dangerous adventures with the two of you. What difference will this one be? Okay, we're almost entering the area where I last saw that creature. How you doing, Aviva?
A bit nauseous. This is a lot more unsteady than the Tortuga.
Don't worry, you'll get used to it. Now, where are we going to find that? Oh no, it's aggressive! Fly, Toothless!
Yep, definitely a pteranodon, though I am getting quite nauseous.
Identify it later! We have to outfly it! Hold on, I think I just thought of a way to stop it. Okay, let's go, Toothless! Wait for it, wait for it! Now! Well, that went smoothly. We didn't kill it, did we? Okay, it's alive. Come on, Toothless. Let's fly home. Well, Aviva, was that adventure dangerous enough for you? You think you'll be going on another one?
Never again, Krat Brothers. Never again. I'm letting you two do all the dangerous stuff from now on.
That's the way we like it.